Hey, subscribe our channel and hit bell icon for get more videos about this.
Hey guys, let's know about how you can backup your WhatsApp videos, photos and your chats. Okay, keep in mind that if you take backup of your WhatsApp chats, then you will be able to restore them whenever you lost your mobile phone, whenever you damaged your mobile phone or happened anything else, or you may change your mobile phone. Then you have to just open your WhatsApp account and they will ask about restore. Then but before that you have to backup your old chats and videos and so on of your WhatsApp. Then how you can take your backup of WhatsApp? Let's learn. Open your WhatsApp and then you have to click on these three dots which are on the right hand side. Click on this, you will see options like that, and from that you have to choose settings. When you click on settings, you will see these type of few options. From these options you have to click on chats. When you click on chats, you will see options these type, and then you have to just click on chat backup. When you click on chat backup, you will see these type of few options. From these you have to just choose wherever you want to upload your videos and chats. Then you have to just it very secure to save your data on your Google Drive. Then choose Google Drive. Whenever you want to take your backup of your data, then you have to choose weekly, monthly and daily. You may choose anyone from these. I think you should choose daily. From below option on account, you have to choose your email address, whichever you want to use and whichever you properly use every time, and whenever and where you want to backup. You want to backup over Wi-Fi, then click on Wi-Fi. If you don't have Wi-Fi, then choose other option, Wi-Fi or cellular. It means on your mobile network it will backup your all the data. Click on any option. After that you will see option like that, backup. You click on backup and it's preparing your backup. After preparing, your backups will be stored in the Google Drive, and after that you will be used to this. You will be able to use this backup. Hope you learned that how you can take backup of your WhatsApp. If you learn, don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends, then they can take backup of their data. Be with us, keep learning how to ans.
Hey, hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. Share this video with Facebook, WhatsApp and so on, and subscribe our channel and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep sharing, keep loving.